Hey everyone, welcome to the Digital Go to YouTube channel. Adam here. Today we're going to take a first look at Canon's brand new full frame mirrorless camera, the EOS-RP. Stay tuned. So the EOS-RP is Canon's second full frame mirrorless camera. It was just recently introduced. It's going to start shipping soon. Make sure to keep an eye on digitalgoja.com. Now, what's really exciting is the physical size of this camera. Here it's as small as some of the Rebel cameras that are currently available, and it has a full frame CMOS sensor. So we have the box here. We have it with the 24-105 RF lens. Let's open it up and check it out. All right, everybody, let's take our first look at the new EOS-RP. We're gonna open up the box here, and the first thing you're gonna notice is that the camera is extremely light. I don't even think I have a camera in my hand, but in fact it is the EOS-RP. All right, so let's open up and take this out of the packaging. And man, this is an incredible size for a full frame mirrorless camera. What I really like, the first thing I noticed is that the ergonomics are incredible. And it seems like it's going to be a really easy camera to use for people that are just starting out that want extremely good image quality. Let's take a closer look at some of the features and specifications of the brand new Canon EOS-RP. So for people that are looking for outstanding image quality in a small package that they can take the camera anywhere, take a closer look at the Canon EOS-RP. Now this camera is going to be available in 3 different options, and you'll see all the links in the description box below. You can purchase it body only, or there are 2 lens options. There's one with the native lens mount that you see right over here, and there will be one with the EF 24-105 STM lens with the EF to RF adapter. The EOS-RP features a 26.2 megapixel full frame CMOS sensor, and it's paired with the DIGIC 8 image processor. Now this is going to offer a native ISO range from 100 to 40,000. The camera is capable of shooting up to 5 frames per second, which is not the fastest in the continuous frame rate amongst other full frame mirrorless cameras, but it's enough for most shooters. Now the one thing that really stands out with this camera is its size, as I mentioned. In fact, it's smaller than the Rebel T7i. The size is smaller than the Rebel, but has much more sophisticated features. One great thing about this mirrorless system is the ability for it to focus all the way to the edge of the sensor. Since Canon reduced the size of the camera, they've taken off the top LCD display. Now many shooters won't miss it because Canon has you covered with an excellent touchscreen LCD, which makes it really easy to change settings. Another feature that's different on the EOS-RP from the EOS-R is that it has a mode dial on the top. This makes it really fast and easy to change scene modes, switch to movie mode, or use it to change in one of the 3 custom mode settings. Currently, Canon offers 4 lenses in the RF mount. They offer a 28-70 f2, 24-105 mm f4, a 50 mm f1.2, and a 35 mm f1.8 macro. Now the 24-105 mm lens is available when you purchase the EOS-RP. That's going to be bundled with the camera. And there are also 6 new lenses that Canon has introduced with the introduction of the new camera. Keep in mind that Canon also offers 3 different lens adapters for those who want to use any of the Canon EF or EFS series lenses with the Canon R series cameras. Now it also features a flip out touchscreen that's 3 inches, it's 1.4 million dot, and it works really well. It's going to work in conjunction if you want to use the Viewfinder. It doesn't have a touchpad, but it does feature touch and drag AF, so you can use the rear LCD as your touchpad to control your AF points. All right, so if we talk about video features of the EOS-R, now the camera does have dual pixel AF, which works only in 1080p. It will do contrast detect AF in ultra high definition 4K video. Now 4K, it does 4K at 24p, and it has about a 1.6 crop. Now, it may not have all the video options that some professional video shooters may want, but this camera can still and is fully capable of taking impressive looking video. If you are mostly a still shooter who likes to do a little video, why pay more for all those features you may not need? Now, despite the size, they still managed to put in a microphone jack and a headphone jack so you can monitor the audio. Now, the camera features USB 2, which is USB-C, and it does have an HDMI output, which you can output 4K video, which even something like the 5D Mark IV doesn't do, and you can also output 1080p video as well. With this camera coming in at roughly $1,300, this is going to be a great camera for vloggers, for anybody that's looking to upgrade their camera to a full frame camera. So with this introduction of the Canon EOS-RP, Canon has some great offers for the purchase of this camera. You're going to get the ability to buy this with a free extension grip. There are 3 different color options, and there's also the Canon EF to RF adapter, which will allow you to use all your Canon EF glass on the new EOS-RP. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. We're going to have some more great videos on this new camera, and leave us your feedback in the comments section below. And if you're in the Miami area, come check us out at the Digital Goja showroom. Adam here. Keep on shooting. I'll catch you in the next video.